Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial on Autocad. We are doing tips and tricks in Autocad. So today we are going to talk about the array function which we find in our modify tab. We have to use it very often. So let's see how we can use it in a easiest way and make our process easy. So let's say if I have a rectangle, I want to array it, so I'll go to array, I'll select my rectangle, press enter. By default it will be 4 columns and 3 rows, so you can say it's 7 columns and 5 rows. Just like that you can change the columns and rows. Also, if you hover your big box on one of these arrows, so one on the row direction and one in the column direction, and select and move right, you can increase the columns, you can move it left to decrease the columns, and you can just click once again if you're happy with your array. Same thing in the row, just select, move up or down as you wish, and click again. Let's say I want to decrease it. Yeah, once you are happy with your array, you can close your array. So this was rectangular array. Now if I select my array, you can see all the rectangles are selected. I don't want it. I don't want to select all my rectangles. So what I will do is I'll go to modify and we'll see an option to explode. Just select it and magic. All your rectangles are now separate. So the group is broken and you get individual rectangles from your array. Same thing we can do with the polar array. So let's say if you have a circle and a center, so let's go for array, select object, press enter, specify the center point, and boom, your circular array or polar array is done. So we can change the items, so let's say 9 and it changes. We can change the angle between them and how, if we want to make it fully 360, or we can change it, it's up to you. Same thing with this arrow, you can change the angle. Let's say I want to keep it like this. We can increase the number also. So that's how you can do the polar array. Now as we have seen in the rectangular array, this one is also grouped. So if I select one of the circles, it will select all. I don't want it, so what I'll do it, I'll select, then I'll go to home, modify, and explode. So now each of the circles are individual. There is another method in AutoCAD which we most of us don't use it, but it's there and it's a fine tool. It's a traditional array function. So for that, we'll go to the command box and type array classic. So it will pop a window. Here you have two different options, rectangular and polar. So let's go for rectangular one, and we have to select object. So let's say I select this one and press enter. So we want to change the row to, let's say, 5 and column to 6. We can preview it. This is how our array is going to be. Now you can see some clashes over here. That's because I don't know the exact, you can say, what it is called. I don't know the exact row and column offset. If you know the exact offset, then this clash won't be there. Now the difference between array and normal array and array classic is, in array when you are done with the array, all your drawing will be grouped and you have to explode it to make it individual. But in array classic, all your drawings will be individual. So just now you can see I can select each of the rectangle on its own and it's perfect fine. Same thing we can do with the circular one. So let's say if I have a circle, I have a center point. Let's type in array classic. Go for polar array, select object, set this one, press enter, center point. Let's pick our center point. Total number of items 7. Okay, preview. So you see, once you're satisfied with it, you can press enter. Done. Now each circle is different. It's not grouped like traditional, like normal array. It's grouped, but in array classic, it's not grouped. That's the basic difference. You can play with it. You can choose which option you like. If you have any doubts regarding this video, make sure to comment down below and press the like button if you find it useful in your work. Thank you so much and peace.